How's it going, everyone? Jay here with LMR.com. In today's video, we're going to be going over a quick breakdown of removing the upper control arm for all 2005 to 2014 S197 Mustangs. Removing the upper control arm on the 05 to 14 Mustang is needed to replace a damaged upper control arm or to upgrade to a performance part. This removal video will give you the step-by-step instructions needed to remove your upper control arm from your S197 chassis. We're going to be showing you how to do these steps on an S197 Mustang. These same general steps can be used on all 05 to 14 Mustangs. Depending on the year of the Mustang you are working on, some parts and bolt sizing may vary. Some of the tools you're going to need are going to be a lift or a jack and jack stands, a complete socket set including a 24mm half-inch socket, a breaker bar, half-inch impact, and some assorted pry bars. To begin the removal process, open your doors and slide both of your seats forward. Remove the back seat bottom. This can be done by pushing in on each side of the seat bottom to release the tabs. Once you have these free, you can lift the seat bottom up and out of the vehicle. In the center of the drive shaft tunnel, you will need to locate the 24mm bolt. This one can be extremely tight. Using a half-inch breaker bar, carefully break this one loose. Once it is loose, you can use your half-inch impact to remove it from the car. Go ahead and get your car in the air. We also chose to remove the panhard bar and the panhard brace. This is not 100% necessary, but believe me, it will free up some extra workroom and make the overall install much more accessible. To see how these are removed, check out the links in the description below. Locate the upper control arm where it attaches to the differential. Using a 13/16" socket, loosen the upper control arm nut where it attaches to the axle. To make this bolt easier to remove, support the rear end under the center of the differential and slightly raise the diff housing until the bolt is free from the arm. Make sure to keep some slight pressure on the upper arm. There will be a little tension here. Once this is free, you can remove the two remaining 18mm bolts on the upper control arm mount. Now, lower the differential down to free up some extra room. In some cases, especially if you have an aftermarket arm and mount in place, lowering the stock fuel tank may be needed. If you do have to go this route, support each side of the fuel tank with a jack and loosen each of the tank strap bolts. Typically, you do not have to remove these entirely. Just back them out in small increments until the mount is free. Now that these are out of the way, you can remove the mount and the arm as an assembly from the car. Now you can take this time to inspect your chassis and all associated bushings to see if anything else needs to be replaced. Alright everybody, we hope this video has helped you have a better understanding of how to remove your upper control arm from your S197 Mustang. Overall, this one should roughly take you about an hour to complete. If you like this video, make sure to give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel if you have not already, and turn on notifications to keep you up to date with any new tech info we release. And as you already know, make sure to keep it here with the real Mustang enthusiasts at LMR.com.